kindergartners, it's Mrs. Morris here for Number Corner for a new month. We are now in the month of May. That started on Friday, but today is Monday, May 4th. And so we have a new number corner. Some things are going to look a lot different, and some things are going to kind of look like April's. So let's see what we got. Here is our calendar. Let's do our days of the week song first. Here we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Nice job, friends. Okay, so April is over. After April comes May. May is last month of spring. When the calendar changes again, we'll start summer next month in June. All right, friends, so Miss Morris already uncovered Friday, May 1st, because we don't do Number Corner on Fridays. And I also uncovered Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so yesterday was Sunday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. All right, so let's look at today's. Today is Monday, May 4th. So what we're going to have this month is we are going to talk more about equations because we are getting closer and closer to first grade. So we're going to have some stories like we did last month with frogs and toads. This time it's going to be cats and dogs. And we're going to have some stories on here that we're going to either make into an equation like we did with toads and frogs, or we're going to have an equation like this one on Saturday, and we need to make up a story to go along with that equation. All right, so I'm going to take today's off, May 4th, and we're going to look. I see a little puppy there, and I see an equation, a model. So if we look over here to the right side, today is May 4th. All right, and we're going to write our equation right here in the middle. So if you look right here by the puppy, I see 6. Then I see a line. Do you remember what that means? Minus, good job, or take away. That's the next number, 2. Does anybody know what those two lines mean? Equals, good job. And then we have to figure out 6 take away 2 equals what? I don't know. So watch Miss Morris. I'm going to use my 10 frame down here. Let's start with 6. 6 was our first number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 6. Now, if I have 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I want to take 2 away. So I'm going to take 2 away. 1, 2. Did you see how I went backwards? That makes it a little easier to count. How many do I have left? If I started with 6, I take 2 away. How many do I have left? I already hear some friends say 4. You're right. Remember, that's a computer 4. 4, because today is May 4th. Nice job. So now we have to come up with a story problem. Maybe about puppies and dogs that have to do with 6 take away 2 equals 4. So Miss Morris is going to start today, and I am going to use my friend Mason from Miss Arnold's class, because I sure do miss you, Mason, and all your excitement during WIN group. I'm going to tell you a story about Mason using this equation. Now, Mason's mom might get a little nervous if she thinks this story is for real. But Mason, tell your mom it's not real. It will not happen. Okay, here we go. Mason had 6 puppies. That's where I got my 6. He gave his friend 2 of the puppies. Okay, so he had 6, but he gave his friend 2 of the puppies. How many puppies does Mason have left? So my question again was, Mason had 6 puppies. That's where my 6 came from. He gave his friend 2 of those puppies. He gave them away. They went away to his friend's house. How many puppies does Mason have left? How many puppies does Mason have? 4. You're right. You guys are so smart. So smart, kindergartners. So every day we're going to either make a model or write a story problem. So today we wrote a story problem. Miss Morris did it about Mason. I'm going to pick new friends every single day. All right, so now let's look at our pocket chart. Oh my goodness, look at our pocket chart. It's cats and dogs. I told you we were going to do cats and dogs this month. So we have a new spinner. I want you to look really carefully at that spinner and see what is different about that spinner. It does have a cat and dog on it. Do you notice anything else different? Oh, orange and blue, yes. Oh, I heard somebody say this one kind of looks like a triangle. It does. Oh, I heard somebody say the cat part has more than the dog part. I wonder what's going to happen when we spin it and what that's going to do to our spinning. All right, get your finger on the screen. Remember on 3. 1, 2, 3. Dog. We got dog. All right, Miss Morris is going to go back over here. I'm going to grab a dog and put him in our pocket chart. And then we are going to look at the next slide. So this is just like last month, but remember, it is cats and dogs. I heard you guys. So my friends, we had a dog on our spinner today. So we had 1 dog, so Miss Morris is going to put a 1 by the dog. And how many cats did we have today? Yeah, none, 0. All right, so if I have 0 cats plus 1 dog equals how many cats and dogs? 1, you're right. So Miss Morris is going to make another one and plug that in. Nice job, guys. So again, our month has changed. We are in May. I want to remind you, friends, that this is our last full week before our packets have to be turned in. So make sure that you're working really hard on finishing those packets and working on Khan Academy and Amplify Reading at home. Get it all done this week because you only have a few days next week before you have to turn it in. All right, my friends, and then it'll be first grade time. I'm so excited for you guys to become first graders. You're so smart. Put your arms out really, really big. Give yourself a really big hug from me. Miss Morris and all your kindergarten teachers are very proud of you. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.